I made these three ingredients healthy snack in less than 20 minutes, guys. I started off with some bananas. I mashed the banana. As you can see there, I mashed the banana properly. It was properly mashed. And guys, you know the benefit of banana in the body. This is really healthy. I mashed it properly. Then I went ahead. I added my oats to it. The measurements, the quantity rather, will be under the description. So after that, I still added some oats to it. Then I mixed properly. I went ahead and added my peanut butter to it. As you can see there, that is peanut butter. I added that to it. Then I gave it a proper mix too. After that, I still added some butter to it. Peanut butter I added to it. Then I brought out my pan, my baking pan. I lined the baking pan. Then I put that in the baking pan. This chocolate I added is actually optional. I just added that because I did this for children. I always do all these sweet things for children. So this is actually optional. You can choose not to add chocolate to yours. So I baked for about 20 to 22 minutes. And that is my, what do I call this now? Is it bread? Is it a cake? I know it's a snack. So guys, you want to try this. Thanks for always watching. Do have a blessed life. Bye.